Hello, everyone. In this session, we will focus on understanding the setup for cross-currency conversions in Onfinity ERP. The agenda is to explore how cross-currency conversions work and how they can be configured in the system. The objective is to help understand cross-currency conversion and its related configurations within the context of business processes in Onfinity ERP. The prerequisite is to ensure that a configured tenant is available in your environment and the organizations are set up. Also, currency rate types must already exist in the system. Cross-currency conversion refers to determining the exchange rate between two currencies that do not have a direct exchange rate available, but are both quoted against a common third currency. For example, to convert GBP to USD, when there is no direct exchange rate, use INR as the common currency. If 1 INR equals 86.56 USD and 1 INR equals 116.06 GBP, the cross rate can be calculated as 116.06 divided by 86.56, which equals 1.3408 USD per GBP. Now, let's move into the system for configuration. On the landing page, mosaics may not show data immediately in a newly created tenant. Once transactional data is processed, the mosaics will display results that assist management in decision-making. To set up cross-currency conversions, use the search utility or navigate through Company and Global Settings. Under Global Settings, open Currency Cross-Rate Settings. Remove any filters to view all records. To create a new cross rate, click New Record. Select the relevant organization, such as the STAR organization for global access. Enter a name for the cross rate. Choose the conversion type to be used. Then, select the common currency, INR. Define from currency and to currency. Optionally, enter a short description for reference. Once defined, ensure the required base conversions are already available. In this case, INR to USD and INR to GBP conversions must exist using the same rate type that will be applied for the cross-currency. Now, open the currency window and search for INR. Navigate to the Conversion Rate tab. Check if conversion entries exist for INR to GBP and INR to USD for the selected rate type, evening rates. If missing, create them manually. Click New Record, select USD, choose evening rates, enter the valid date range from the 19th to the 19th, and input the conversion rate as 86.56. Save the record. Create another conversion for GBP. Select GBP, choose evening rates, set the date range as 19th to 19th, and enter the rate as 116.06. Save the record. Verify that reverse conversions were automatically generated. Open the GBP currency and confirm that GBP to INR exists for the evening rate type. Then, do the same for USD to INR. Once the required conversions are confirmed, return to the Currency Cross-Rate Settings window and select Calculate Cross-Rate. If multiple cross rates are defined, the system will calculate all of them in a single process. If the system shows that the conversion already exists, then the system will not generate a conversion rate. Run the Calculate Cross Rate process. The system will now generate the cross rate using the common currency logic. For instance, USD to GBP will be calculated based on the configured INR to USD and INR to GBP rates. Once completed, open the currency window again and search for GBP. Under Conversion Rates, the entry for GBP to USD with the evening rate type will now appear, with a calculated rate of 1.340. Repeat the process to confirm that USD to GBP is also generated and available under the corresponding rate type. This concludes the process of setting up and calculating cross-currency conversions in Onfinity ERP. Please join us in the next session, and thank you for attending.